Before 10 years, when I was ruling the roost on television and my brother was not doing so well, they used to compare him with me. Now my brother is doing very well and he's far ahead of I am. They compare me to him.
मेरे को ना सपने आ रहे हैं उस बाइक के मेरे को वही दिख रही है रात को कि मैं अगर उस पे घूमूंगा तो कैसा लगूंगा सोलो ये वो तो मैंने ना जाके एक डेयरिंग कर डाली
तुमने बिना बोले ले लिया?
मैंने जाके ले ली
अरे बाप रे। कई लोग एक्टर बनने के बाद फिट बनते हैं।
जी
तुम्हें देख के लगता है कि तुम बचपन से कुछ न कुछ कूदा जाती करते रहते हो।
बचपन से ही था वो एक्चुअली दिस वाज वेदर इट वाज इन स्कूल आई वाज इन स्कूल एथलेटिक टीम लॉन्ग जंप हाई जंप रिले रेसेस 100 मीटर स्प्रिंट्स एवरीथिंग
Hello and welcome to Unstoppable with Rohit Roy, powered by Right Bite Max Protein, where our only intention is to talk fitness by sharing some inspiring stories of individuals from all walks of life. वैसे तो हर एपिसोड स्पेशल होता है, but today's episode is a little extra special for me personally, because my guest is someone who's exactly what I would have wanted to be in my 30s. He's energetic, fabulously built, inside out, handsome to boot, and as outdoorsy as you can get. Actor and my biking partner Vivek Daya. And of course, he's an acclaimed actor, known for his versatile roles and dynamic performances. He gained prominence with his breakout role in the hugely popular TV show Ye Hai Mohabbatein. And of course, he also emerged as a winner of the reality show Nach Baliye 8 alongside his lovely wife Divyanka Tripathi Daya in 2017. So, without further ado, let's welcome Vivek Daya. बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे
थैंक यू
शो पे।
सो मच एंड ही स्पीक्स सो वेल
Thank you, that's my job.
ओह माय गॉड
यार
वाओ
शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं। हमने हमेशा सुना है ना कि कोई भी कॉन्वर्सेशन की शुरुआत कहीं ना कहीं से हुई होती है। तो तुम्हें कब ये लगा कि फिटनेस के बारे में तो बात करेंगे ही बाद में, कब ये लगा कि यार मुझे एक्टर बनना है?
I think goes back to my childhood days.
Okay.
When I was growing up, I used to be the center of attraction.
Ooh, I love when people actually say that about themselves. And you know,
Yeah,
lovely,
it was inbuilt. You know,
Yeah.
you either have it or you don't.
You
So
don't,
I was not one of those shy kids who would be timid and pushed in the corner in a social gathering. I was all out and about. And वो जो बच्चा होता है कि बेटा पोएम सुनाओ और वो बच्चा नहीं सुनाता है, वो एंड टाइम पे नहीं सुनाता है. I was the opposite.
मैं रेडी हूँ।
मुझे नहीं आता होता था, लेकिन मैं कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसा रखता था कि जैसे सोशल गैदरिंग होगी उस टाइम पे मेरे को याद आ जाती थी somehow. So I was one of those.
So you
guys
always
that
enjoyed the spotlight.
I always wanted to entertain people. I wanted to be liked by everyone. Whenever I enter the room, I just want to.
What is your sun sign, Vivek?
A Scorpio.
Scorpio.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if
No, it
that
doesn't
is
matter. I thought you were an Arian because I'm exactly like that. I love the attention. Yeah.
So
तो ये
it's
बचपन
funny.
की बात है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी. So as luck would have it, मतलब because my father's a lawyer, mother's a housewife, and we don't have anybody remotely linked to the industry.
वो माहौल नहीं
So
था।
वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. And Chandigarh, you know, being the small town it is, and back then even more a little closed,
Yeah.
a little conservative. Coming from Haryana, you know, the backdrop was such that I did not have the confidence to ever tell my father or my mother that. But my mother somehow she always knew.
She knew
that
कि actor बनेगा
that ये है इसके अंदर एक कीड़ा है. So, but my father, he was he sent me to study abroad.
Okay.
I studied my business and masters and everything else that I
अच्छा
did.
ये सब पढ़ाई करके आए तुम?
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
ओहो
हाँ. So I was in the UK for 7 years.
Okay.
Did my bachelor's and then followed by MSc International Business Management.
Okay.
उसके बाद जॉब कर रहा था. उसके बाद
वहीं लंदन में?
लेस्टर में.
लेस्टर में, okay.
जब मैं वापस आया तो उसके बाद ऐसा हुआ कि अब I have a security. You know, there is something to
Correct.
fall back
Fall
on.
back upon, yes.
In case it doesn't work out, I can at least try. So I don't have any regrets later on. So I told my father, and by then
क्या
he had
reaction
seen-
था उनका?
He was not happy.
हाँ.
He was not. To begin with, he was a little skeptical. He said कि
Concerned also
बेटा बहुत बच्चों की कहानियां सुनिए खराब हो जाते हैं. कई कई साल पड़े रहते हैं बॉम्बे में. बहुत दुर्दशा होती है. Which is true. Which is obviously, you know,
क्योंकि 100
sitting
में
so
से
far
एक
away.
या दो का नंबर लगता है, बाकी
Correct,
तो
and then
99।
obviously he had his concern that इतना पैसा खर्च किया तेरे ऊपर
हाँ, तेरे ऊपर
पढ़ाई में, अब तू एक्टर बनने चला जाएगा तो what will happen to that? So I feel कि anything that you study never goes to waste.
Correct.
So if I've studied business, I will put it to use some way or the other. I mean, being in the industry, you have to work on yourself as a brand. You know, this is who you are.
That's also marketing.
That's also marketing, how we do it.
So what was your first, when did you come to Mumbai?
I came in 2014.
14। और पहला क्या काम किया तुमने?
It's
धक्के
not
वक्के
something-
खाए थे क्या?
बहुत खाए थे,
अच्छा, खाए थे?
बहुत खाए थे,
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, काफी खाए थे। और funny story around it that I had 6 months, and when I would tell people कि I've come here for 6 months, people used to laugh at me कि
कि कैसे-
6 महीने में कैसे होता
क्या
है, नहीं
होगा?
होता
हाँ,
ना।
correct.
So I'd come with a certain amount of savings, and I said either 6 months or the savings get exhausted, one or the other, I go back
Right.
in any eventuality. So ऐसा हुआ था कि 1 महीना रह गया था और थोड़े से पैसे बच गए थे, और मेरे को एक एक्टिंग जॉब मिला, ये है आशिकी करके, एक छोटा सा वो कैमियो था। इट्स एन एपिसोडिक, बैक इन द डेज बिंदास टीवी पे आता होता था।
जी जी।
सो उस पे मिला, एंड देन आई टोल्ड माय फादर, आई सेड आई हैव गॉट इट।
हाँ।
ही सेज बट दिस इज जस्ट अ कैमियो, अनलेस यू गेट लाइक अ लॉन्ग टर्म एक्टिंग जॉब, लेट्स नॉट काउंट दिस इन। सो आई सेड ओके।
Oh,
So then eventually I got a show called Veera.
Okay.
And then one thing led to another, and I never needed to go back.
Okay.
So
that's how you started.
That's
You know,
how I
there's one
started.
thing more which is common हम दोनों के बीच में।
क्या?
एक तो बाइकिंग एंथुसियास्ट है,
हाँ जी।
एक तो ड्रॉप डेड गॉर्जियस गुड लुकिंग तो है ही। लेकिन मैंने सुना, अभी मैं पढ़ रहा था, रिसर्च कर रहा था, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई मिस्ड दैट सीजन, बट यू गाइस also took part in Nach Baliye, and I also took part in Nach Baliye.
Oh, you did?
The first season, bro.
Oh.
But similarity ends there because you went on to win. I was eliminated in round 1. Thanks to Mansi. मानसी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तुम्हारा। तो हाँ, मानसी को डांसिंग नहीं आती, डांसिंग की डी भी नहीं आती, but हमारे मानसी में गट्स है यार। When we were the first couple to be signed on by Nach Baliye.
Wow.
And हम लोग गए, हम बैठे, वो बात करें, तो मुझे लगा कि मेरे को और मानसी को होस्ट करने बुलाया है। Then they said, no, we want you to take part. And I looked at Mansi looked at me, बोले पागल हो गए?
क्या बात कर रहे हो? अच्छा।
But we had a great time.
And
So,
you had no precedent.
nothing,
as in
nothing
like,
precedent, yeah.
कि
And
कैसा
I was
होने
doing a
वाला
lot
है
of
show.
shows that time on मेरी विरासत चल रही थी स्टार पे, रवि चोपड़ा की, तो you know I was very associated with Star at that time. तो खैर किया, बहुत मजा आया, but you of course are a fantastic dancer. Dancing से it also, that level of dancing day in and day out, and now तो it's become very tough.
Yeah.
हमारे टाइम तो फिर भी थोड़ा सा relax था. What is the kind of level of fitness you need to keep dancing like that?
I'll tell you what. See, fitness always helps in whatever you do. Whether it could just be a 9 to 5 job, but your productivity enhances the moment you are a fitter person. You know,
Right. Of course, always.
So when I did a show called Jhalak Dikhla Ja just now, I was able to put in the extra hours because of the 20 years of fitness background that I had.
Right.
You know, so my choreographer used to say, and I take pride in that. I know that this is like blowing my own trumpet, but she used to say that
No,
you're like
blow
a
away,
machine.
blow away.
You're like a machine. You don't stop. And yes, of course,
Stamina.
all that hard work comes to good use.
So let's start from there, because whatever I have known of you in these last couple of years and whatever I see on your Instagram, you seem happier jumping around in mountains and gardens than doing anything else. You love riding, you love being outdoor.
जी.
तो ये जो तुम्हारा रिश्ता है आउटडोर के साथ में, फिटनेस के साथ में, ये कैसे शुरू हुआ? क्योंकि कई लोग एक्टर बनने के बाद फिट बनते हैं।
जी,
तुम्हें देख के लगता है कि तुम बचपन से कुछ ना कुछ कूदान जाती करते रहते हो।
बचपन से ही था वो। Actually, this was whether it was in school.
Right.
I was in school athletic team.
Oh.
Long jump, high jump, relay races, 100 meters, sprints, everything. Then I joined the school basketball team. I was in the cricket team at the same
So,
time.
all of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then I was studying in Cardiff University. I was part of Cardiff University cricket team.
Oh.
And I was the only Indian. And back in the days, अभी तो बहुत सारे faces हो गए हैं, you know, because obviously the amount of the influx that has happened over a period of time with Indians and Pakistanis going there. But I was the only brown kid, as they would call it.
यूएसए के एक्चुअली नेशनल टीम में तो आधे इंडियन है।
हाँ, अभी तो absolutely अभी, क्योंकि उनका है नहीं ना, वो स्पोर्ट ही नहीं है, बट इंग्लैंड का और यूके का तो हमेशा से रहा है. So I was the only one, and that, and then see,
So you've always been
I've
into
always
fitness
been.
of some sort.
Yeah, मतलब I can't sit still.
Right.
I
Oh, yeah, I've
have
seen
to.
that. ए, अगर इनके Instagram अकाउंट पे जाओगे तो ये कहीं से कूद रहे होंगे, ये इतना गारंटी दे सकता हूँ. और वो तुमने वो फ्लैग होल्ड भी किया था, पोल होल्ड.
Human flag.
My God, how
Yeah,
much
yeah.
of strength does that? Is it only strength or is it an art also?
It's part of calisthenics.
Okay.
It's an advanced form of calisthenics which takes time to master.
Okay.
But I think if you're at it
Then you can.
consistently, you'll
The
get
only
there.
two people I've seen with my own eyes doing it is one is you and of course one is Sonu Sood. I mean he's also
हाँ जी.
built like a rock. Yeah.
Yeah. हाँ जी.
अब जब you are balancing obviously your acting jobs and your passions like riding and doing all these sports and activities, how do you balance both with equal intensity?
See, this
Because
is the-
television actors, we are shooting for 12, 14 hours. तुम तो कर चुके
हाँ जी.
हो. अब खैर तुमने टेलीविजन कम किया है, लेकिन जब भी करते हो तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज के आज जिम जाना है, नहीं जाना है, 14 घंटे शूट करने?
बहुत सिंपल है एक्चुअली. वो इंटीग्रेटेड होता है. इट्स लाइक वेकिंग अप, ब्रशिंग योर टीथ.
हाँ.
सो व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग अ शो क़यामत की रात, आई यूज्ड टू शूट इन नायगांव.
अरे बाप रे.
तो नायगांव में ना आना जाना, it takes about 3 hours commuting, going and
Correct,
back,
correct.
going and coming back. So, and then 12 hours of shoot. So my typical day would be about 15 to 16 hours. Now I would have an option of either sleeping 7 hours or sleeping a little lesser and then working out. So I chose the latter. मैं 6 घंटा सो के 1 साल मैंने किया, because उसके बिना ना, honestly speaking, after so many years, and you would know that out of all people, that you don't feel confident.
Yeah,
You
confidence takes a hit.
Yeah, you feel that something's amiss and everything goes for a toss. Yeah, my hormones go imbalancing, something or the other, it's not right. You don't feel right.
I totally agree with you.
So-
मैंने एक मंत्रा कहो या कुछ भी कहो, दिमाग में ये बिठा के रखा था कि कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे वो मैं घर पे भी दंड बैठक मार लूं,
हाँ जी.
शूट पे जाने से पहले एक अजीब सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि हाँ चलो ठीक है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
It really makes a difference.
Yeah.
And you've been doing this now for from 2014. So it's
No. 2000, I started in...
no 2014 you started acting.
Yeah.
तो 10 साल से तुमने दोनों को बैलेंस करके रखा है.
हाँ जी, क्योंकि मैं उससे
ब्रेक
पहले
लेते
भी...
हो
ब्रेक?
एक्टिंग से या लगता है कि अभी
एक्टिंग से तो अपने आप ब्रेक मिल जाता है. उसका हमारे ऊपर कोई
हमारे
control
ऊपर नहीं है.
हाँ, वो तो
पर
अपने
कभी
आप...
लगता है कि यार बहुत वर्कआउट कर लिया, थोड़ा कम करता हूँ.
नहीं
ऐसा नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं, कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ. भगवान ना करे ऐसा हो.
भगवान
कभी
नहीं करे
ऐसा
यार. नहीं तुम
So-
बहुत you are honestly not because you're on my show, but since I've seen you and started noticing you, I remember the first time I noticed you, we had not met. We were in Dubai. I was hosting a show and you and your wife had
Oh,
come
I
there for a
know.
show, and I
I know.
saw you sitting there. I said, यार ये कौन है यार? And I hadn't seen any of your work till then.
हाँ जी.
And I said, कि यार strapping. I still remember the suit पहना हुआ था and you're looking damn good and you're looking exactly the same. उस
Thank
बात
you
को
so
भी I think 7-8 साल
हाँ
हो
जी,
गए होंगे
हाँ जी,
आराम
हाँ
से.
जी, हो गया आपका.
पॉजिटिव से एक नेगेटिव बात पूछता हूँ.
हाँ जी.
इतने लंबे करियर में ऐसे लगता है कि कल आए हो तुम, बट कभी कोई ऐसा रिजेक्शन या कोई ऐसी टर्मोइल आई है जिसको फेस करते वक्त तुम्हारा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस हिल गया हो, या ऐसा लगा हो कि नहीं यार अब बहुत हो गया, ये नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे? ऐसा कभी हुआ है? आई मीन 10 years इज नॉट रियली अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट
हाँ जी, नहीं, ऐसा होता है कि बेसिकली when I decided to take a sabbatical from TV, I think I felt that I need to be in films and I want to do
correct.
something more creative.
course.
So I decided to take a break. During that break, 1 year, 2 year, I started working on myself, doing acting workshops and everything else that an actor does in or supposed to do in their free time. So वो करते करते ना, लेकिन जब auditions देता था ना, so मैंने हालांकि बहुत ज़्यादा टीवी में काम नहीं किया है.
जी.
मैंने
मैं वही
खाली
कहने
2
वाला
shows
था
किए
यार.
हैं. तो
बट
लेकिन ऐसा
अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता है टेलीविजन करके एक वो रजिस्टर करता है आदमी कि हाँ ये टीवी है, ये फिल्म है, ये ओटीटी है. अनफॉर्चुनेट है इंडिया में.
एग्जैक्टली. तो वो यही हो रहा था कि मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हो रहा था हर जगह, लेकिन आई वुड नॉट मेक इट टू द फाइनल लिस्ट फॉर द सिंपल रीजन दैट आई हैव अ टीवी टैग. आई एम वेयरिंग अ टीवी टैग.
करेक्ट.
सो आई सेड यार, नाउ हाउ डू आई
हाँ, मतलब वो तो किया हुआ है. हाँ.
Now there's nothing, and TV I had done because I had no acting background. मैंने कोई प्रोफेशनल एक्टिंग कोर्स नहीं किया था, कुछ सीखी नहीं थी. सो आई सेड
भट्ट साहब ने मेरे को बोला था जब मैंने टेलीविजन करना शुरू किया था, ऑफ कोर्स आई वांटेड टू डू सिनेमा ओनली, आई नेवर वांटेड टू डू टीवी, एंड भट्ट साहब कास्ट मी इन स्वाभिमानी. ही सेड टीवी से बेटर ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड नहीं है बेटा, ट्रेन करो यहाँ पे.
हाँ, तो ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई,
बहुत अच्छी होती है.
और जिस तरह से मतलब हमें आदत पड़ जाती है, हमारे वो फोटोग्राफिक मेमोरी हो जाती है,
साथ साथ पेज दे दो,
देखते
एक टेक में कर लें. करेक्ट.
तो लेकिन उसके बाद ये हुआ कि नाउ हाउ डू आई वेंचर इनटू, तो जब घर बैठना पड़ा और जब वो ऑडिशंस
नहीं आ रहे,
वो हो नहीं रहे, मटेरियलाइज नहीं हो पा रहे थे, तब ऐसा लगता था कि आई थिंक मे बी देन आई हैव टू शिफ्ट माई फोकस ऑन टू समथिंग एल्स. तो देन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग.
अच्छा.
तो अभी मैंने कुछ 4 स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखी हैं.
अच्छा. ओह नाइस.
या
बताया तुमने.
मतलब वो ऐसा नहीं है, वो स्क्रीन प्ले वाले नहीं है, फिल्मों के लिए कहानियां लिखी है.
ओके.
स्क्रीन प्ले नहीं है, आई एम नॉट अ डायलॉग राइटर, वो मुझे कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, बट मैंने वो कहानियां लिख ली हैं. तो एंड देन आई कीप माई सेल्फ बिजी विद एवरीथिंग आउटडोर्सी.
So it didn't affect you that much.
It does. I think there are days
when you
once a month, that time of the month होता है मेरा. तो once a month I take a hit.
Okay.
वो एक ऐसा, वो पता नहीं पोजिशनिंग ऑफ द मून होते हैं कि क्या होता है, बट देयर इज वन डे इन एवरी मंथ व्हेन आई फील एक्सट्रीमली डाउन.
राइट.
बट देन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग,
व्हिच इज नेचुरल यार.
हाँ जी.
यू नो, क्योंकि मेरा भी मानना है कि ये जो साइक्लिक अपनी लाइफ है, उतार चढ़ाव तो आते रहते हैं, बट मैं तुमको एक सजेशन देना चाहूंगा.
हाँ जी.
Please focus only on your acting, because you have a huge long distance to cover. I feel that you got so much potential, honestly, and I told this to Gurmeet, who's another dear friend, that you guys have everything going for you. It's a matter of time. Be patient.
Yeah.
And be patient with cinema if that's what you want to do, or OTT, that's what you want to do.
Yeah.
आज नहीं तो कल होगा ही.
Yes. Thank you.
Lekin since we are talking about this, I have had for the last 10 years, before 10 years when I was ruling the roost on television and my brother was not doing so well, they used to compare him with me. Now my brother is doing very well and he's far ahead of I am. They compare me to him. You are married to one of the biggest stars on Indian television who continues to do television and OTT, Divyanka. Any comparisons that bother you, if you can honestly tell our viewers?
Oh yeah. So over a period of time, see, when we first got married, I was obviously aware. I was a mature person,
right?
Who came into the picture quite late, relatively, as opposed to my peers today, my contemporaries, right, who had an excellent career. So I by then, मतलब लोग ऑलरेडी स्टार थे मेरी एज के.
करेक्ट.
जब मैं आया था,
क्योंकि आप आराम से पढ़ाई लिखाई करके काम वाम करके आए
जी. तो it would be very unfair on myself if I was to say कि oh I have to compare myself with Divyanka. So between me and her we never drew comparisons.
Of course not.
And that was the agreement.
बाहर वाले ही करते हैं.
हाँ जी. तो और हमने इनफैक्ट हमने ये pledge भी लिया था, because she was sensible. She had seen the industry more than I had.
Right.
So she said that inevitably this will happen. And you have to protect yourself. I will do as much as I can, but you can't lose your mind.
Right.
The day you lose your mind, I said, look, same goes for me. The day you start comparing, or your family start doing that, oh, why is he not there? See, I don't have a competition. My competition is my journey. I will accelerate at my own pace. I have faith.
Great thought.
So I can't compare in my right mind also, I can't compare it with anybody else, right? Everyone comes with different background and everything. So the day you start doing that, that's the day I will take a hit.
Correct. You're right.
So
you're also very mature for your age, I must say.
हाँ जी. मतलब वो तो तब अभी ऐसा था, उस टाइम पे थोड़ी सी दुनिया देख रखी थी, थोड़ा
ट्रैवल कर चुके थे, बाहर पढ़े थे,
थोड़ा कम बेवकूफ था.
कभी बुरा लगता है अगर कोई कंपेयर कर दे तो?
लगता है, ऑफ कोर्स. अब लगता है, क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल दीज इयर्स ना, अभी सी बिटवीन मी एंड दिव्यांका वी आर वेरी सिक्योर.
करेक्ट.
शी नेवर फील्स एनीथिंग. हाँ जी.
शी dotes on you.
She does.
She dotes on you, bro.
She does. Yeah.
I could make out in the first meeting only, like, but that's fantastic.
Yeah. So we are very sorted. At home we are very sorted. But when we go out and I've worked, see, whatever I've done, it's my journey, and I just want the people to accept me for who I am, and not because of my wife. Correct. Because now I've given enough time, 8 years approximately, 8-9 years. So that's a decent enough time. You like me or dislike me for what I am bringing to the table.
Correct.
Don't drag my wife into
I
it.
think you're mentally very sound, and this is why I asked him this question, is that a lot of us go through this comparison bullshit.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean anything. Your journey is your journey, and it's unique only to you.
Yeah.
The other flip side is that you have converted Mrs. Dahiya into one fitness freak. I have now continuously, obviously, since we started riding together, I'm looking at your Instagram, I'm looking at her Instagram. She's riding, she's falling, she's getting better, she's back. ये fitness उनके अंदर पहले नहीं थी. So
But
do you
they-
think that you converted her in a way into
Okay,
fitness?
so basically, na, the thing is that you can only do so much.
हाँ.
Okay, there were traits in her जो
अच्छा,
मैंने
they were there?
पहचान लिए थे
अच्छा.
शादी के शुरुआती दौर में, because when she went on to खतरों के खिलाड़ी, it was a shocker for the world.
Correct.
Then
I never-
because with her persona,
हुई
as a
हुई
बहू,
personality, ये
correct,
वो, हाँ.
correct. So nobody could fathom कि ये लड़की ऐसा कुछ कर सकती है टीवी पे आके adventure. But she was always a mountaineer. She was
अच्छा.
always she's a rifle shooter. She's an ex NCC cadet, which
अरे
people
बाप
don't
रे.
know about.
हाँ,
The
हाँ.
only people who have followed
Correct,
her closely
correct, हाँ.
over the years
Right.
would know. तो मुझे पता थी ये वाली सारी चीजें, but she never actually got the time because she was doing a successful back-to-back hit shows,
Correct, all the
daily
time,
soaps.
yeah.
6 साल एक चला, एक कुछ 4 साल चला. तो आपका जो मेजोरिटी जो टाइम है ना, जो फिटनेस का भी क्या है ना, इफ यू डोंट स्टार्ट एट द राइट एज, एक टाइम के बाद बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता
मुश्किल
है.
हो जाता है, और फिर टू गेट बैक इनटू दैट और भी
Get
ज्यादा
back,
मुश्किल
वहाँ और जितना लंबा ब्रेक होगा ना, उतना ही मुश्किल होगा वापस आना.
तो now she's as committed as you are, or
Oh yeah, she is full on.
अच्छा,
मतलब there's
गिरती
not a
पड़ती
single
रहती है, कभी ये टूट जाता है, कभी ये टूट जाता है. She accident prone?
yeah, because she actually does a lot.
हाँ.
You know, she doesn't want to settle.
Right.
When I would tell her that रुक जाओ, break ले लो.
नहीं.
I think what she in her head, and this is not something that we have ever discussed, me and Divyanka. This is for the first time I'm
अच्छा.
discussing on
Please,
this.
yes.
You know what happens is that when she feels she's trying to overcompensate for the years that she's lost.
Okay.
You know, psychologically, that's what's happening to her. So every single day she wants to make it count.
Okay.
She wants to be physical. She wants to be out there. 3 दिन घर में, and she was not like this. She was always an introvert. कि घर में पड़े रहना, because I think वो जब काम खत्म करते हो तो एक टाइम आता है जब sluggish हो जाते हो
with yourself. हाँ.
हाँ, अब वो टाइम निकल चुका है. She's had a thorough break. Now she wants to bounce back.
Right.
And she's doing action, she's doing dance, she's doing yoga, she's biking, she's doing all.
Did you get her into biking? कि
तो
पहले से करती थी वो?
नहीं, वो हुआ ये था उसके अराउंड. आपको पता है ना, हमारे पास बॉबर है.
हाँ.
बॉबर. तो हुआ ये
कि सीट तो है नहीं पीछे.
तो सीट है नहीं पीछे. तो हुआ ये कि
बॉबर बेसिकली मींस कि आप सिंगल राइड करते हो, प्यार से राइड करते हो, अपने आप साथ राइड करते हो, पीछे का सीट नहीं होता है.
हाँ, तो मैं गया शोरूम, तो मुझे ये बाइक पसंद आ गई. मैंने कहा यार ये बड़ी प्यारी बाइक है. कहती है मैं कहाँ बैठूंगी. मैंने सोचा ही नहीं एक्चुअली. मैंने ना बड़े सिंगल मैन की तरह सोचा.
हाँ, but riding is something that we do for ourselves.
हाँ यार, कहाँ बैठूगी, यहाँ तो नहीं बैठ सकती. तो कहती है नहीं आप ये नहीं ले रहे. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. अब मैंने एक छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, जैसे वो खिलौने वाली दुकान से जब बाहर निकलता है, तो उसको वो बेचारा, हाँ मतलब वो आ गया है लेकिन अंदर कुड़कुड़ चल रही है. उसने हाँ बोल दिया है कि ठीक है मुझे ये खिलौना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन मन में ना वो अनसेटलिंग फीलिंग है.
लॉलीपॉप छीन लिया किसी ने.
हाँ, तो वो चली गई. अब हम घर आ गए और 2 दिन के बाद उसको जाना था अपने शूट पे 10 दिन के लिए दिल्ली. तो वो चली गई. अब क्या हुआ, पीछे से ना वो अनसेटलिंग फीलिंग ना वो सेटल नहीं हो पाई. 4 दिन 5 दिन निकल गए. मेरे को ना सपने आ रहे हैं उस बाइक के. मेरे को वही दिख रही है रात को कि मैं अगर उस पे घूमूंगा तो कैसा लगूंगा, सोलो ये वो. तो मैंने ना जाके एक डेयरिंग कर डाली.
तुमने बिना बोले ले लिया?
मैंने जाके ले ली.
अरे बाप रे.
ठीक है. तो
मेरी बीवी तो घर से निकाल दी मेरे को.
आई नो, बट मैंने भी रिस्क लिया. मैं बच
Your
गया.
love for riding was overriding your love for Divyanka.
बट मैं बच गया. मैंने फोन किया. मैंने कहा बेबी ऐसा है कि घर से मत निकालना, मारना मत, लेकिन मैंने ले डाली है. तो कहती है आर यू सीरियस?
She didn't believe it at first.
कहती है ठीक है. कहती इफ यू वांटेड इट सो स्ट्रांगली, मतलब आप कभी ऐसा काम करते ही नहीं हो,
कोई नहीं करता.
कुछ भी डिस्कस किए बिना छोटी से छोटी चीज नहीं आती है घर में. लेकिन अगर आपने इतना बड़ा डिसीजन ले लिया, मतलब इट्स
Yeah, of course.
Between
it's
a
big
couple,
one, of
मतलब it's a
course.
big decision,
It's
no?
a huge decision.
हाँ, तो अगर आपने ऐसा ले लिया, इसका मतलब आपको बहुत ज्यादा तमन्ना होगी, मतलब you would have really wanted it. तो and she got very mature about it, thankfully.
भगवान ने बचा लिया तुझे.
हाँ, तो मैंने कहा अच्छा, अब हमारा कुक आता है घर पे, कहता है भैया आपने ये बाइक ली, दीदी कहाँ बैठेगी? मैंने कहा भाई
चालू
तू
मत
मत कर यार, मत कर. So it
So
started
then she
like
got
that.
the other bike.
So
and
she
started
came
riding.
back and she said, now, okay, fine. And she took it very positively. She's like, fine, I'll get my own bike. I said, that's the spirit, yeah.
Ah, that's perfect. You know, I've
Perfect.
really seen that in her now, the way she rides with you, the way you guys keep traveling, and
Yeah.
you know, and both of you are obviously passionate about
Yeah,
traveling and.
Yeah, yeah.
अब
This is
ये
not
बता
a
रहे थे
day
कि
goes
तुम भी
by.
स्कॉटलैंड में जाने वाले हो next time फिर से गाड़ी चला के.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Now it brings me to a very important part. We travel a lot. We keep riding around the country and abroad. We keep shooting non-stop. One of the most important verticals of fitness and health is nutrition.
Oh. I
What
think
are your
we-
thoughts on that, and how do you incorporate that into such a busy lifestyle?
Okay, there are few things that I abide by.
Yeah,
and
so
I've
give
stuck
us
by it.
something so that the guy who's sitting at home watching you right now and watching your fitness levels say कि ये rocket science नहीं है, मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
Okay, so rocket science नहीं वाली जो चीजें हैं ना, वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. See, the exercise part is separate, okay? But diet wise, I'll tell you very basic, simple things which, if you inculcate into your discipline, in your routine, you will see mountain of a change. One is that at a very young age, my father had instilled this lifestyle change in me that chew your food 40 times.
अच्छा.
Okay,
अच्छा
and
मुझे लगा ये एक myth है यार.
no,
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल नहीं है भाई ये.
Okay.
बिल्कुल मिथ नहीं है. बेसिकली क्या होता है, हमारा सलाइवा जो है ना, वो उसमें डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स होते हैं. सो द मोर यू
धीरे
ईट
से
द
चबा के खाओ, हाँ.
ठीक है, तो आपका जो see your food goes to your small intestine first, okay, from there it goes to your large intestine. So अगर आपका फूड जो है कार्ब्स और शुगर या जो भी हम खाते हैं, अगर आपका वो 80% आपके माउथ में जूस बन गया उसका, ठीक है,
So it's easier to
तो
digest.
it is easier for the small intestines
हाँ.
to do the rest of the job, and then no pressure comes on your large intestines.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so हम क्या करते हैं, हम गल्प करते हैं ना,
हाँ.
तो हमारा जो प्रेशर होता है, अब any food that is not digested by a large intestine becomes toxic.
And because of pressure on the large
Yeah, and it becomes toxic, and it becomes वो जो फिर पेट आना शुरू होता है, that is all your undigested food over a
wow.
period of time.
I eat very fast here. I should slow down.
Yeah, so it is very, very important that you eat your food. And हमारी आदत ये होती है कि हम टीवी देखते हुए, बातें करते हुए, you know, 10 चीज़ों की distractions होती है जब हम खाना खा रहे होते हैं. अगर आप अपने लिए एक फेवर करना चाहते हो, this is one thing that I really stick to, that eat your food with full concentration, be present in that time, आराम से ठीक ठाक
टाइम दो अपने आप.
हमारे शास्त्रों में मतलब पुरानी जो अगर हम देखेंगे तो वो इतने साइंटिफिक हुआ करते थे. दे यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस ओनली कि खाना इत्मीनान से खाओ, बैठ के बातें मत करो, फोकस करके खाओ.
खाना खाओ.
वन इज दैट, एंड सेकंड इज डोंट ईट आफ्टर सनसेट.
Don't eat after sunset.
इट इज लाइफ चेंजिंग.
Really?
Yeah.
तो मतलब 6 बजे डिनर कर लो.
6 बजे, 6:30 बजे, 7 बजे, मैक्सिमम 7, 7:30. मैं 7:30 के बाद कुछ नहीं खाता हूँ.
कुछ नहीं खाता. और फिर the next breakfast is at what?
ब्रेकफास्ट इज 8:30, 9.
तो तुम्हारा तो ऑटोमेटिक इंटरमिटेंट भी हो जाता है.
हाँ, इंटरमिटेंट ही है.
हाँ.
या इंटरमिटेंट, अब इसको फैंसी टर्म बोलते हैं,
Fancy
बट हम
term
लोग तो
बोलते हैं, हाँ.
हमारा तो
हमारे
पुराने
शास्त्रों में
जो-
लिखा है कि सूरज ढलता है उसके बाद तुम्हारा पेट भी बंद हो जाता है लोटस की तरह.
because you have to
And you've
give
been
your
doing this for
stomach.
how many years? This
See, it's
तुम्हारा तो
been,
लाइफस्टाइल बन गया है.
it is a lifestyle. I think I've done like almost 7-8 years से तो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये. और उससे पहले भी मैं शाम को खाता था तो कार्ब्स नहीं खाता, सैलड ही खाता था
सैलड खाते थे.
हमेशा से.
Fiber and protein.
फाइबर एंड प्रोटीन, थोड़ा सा सामान खा लिया.
I'm going to give you my word today. I'm going to try it from today.
पक्का.
पक्का 7 o'clock will be dinner time. I also have been wanting to try कि मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि मैं इंस्पायर हूँ तुम जैसे लोगों से.
अरे
तो मैं
आप
भी सुनूं.
इंस्पिरेशन हो मेरे लिए यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो.
नहीं यार, so today I'm going to give you my word.
No, but honestly, this podcast, of course, Rohit bhai is hosting, and you know he takes a lot of information. But this man is super fit for his age. He looks so good on his bike, man.
Thank you, man.
He मतलब he is like a head turner. I think anybody who's walking past, obviously,
On
always
that note,
gives
we
a
have
look.
to ride again soon.
Yes.
Because लंबा gap हो गया है.
Yes, yes, yes.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
चलो, before we let you go, there is a very fun segment that we do.
Okay.
अभी nutrition, mental health की बात कर ली, challenges की बात कर ली. This is called the Ask Rohit Anything segment. Now it's your turn. You can ask
Okay.
me whatever you want.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll stick to health and nutrition.
अरे बाप रे, okay, I have to ask questions. Okay.
हाँ, तो जो मर्जी है पूछ लो, जितना मेरे ज्ञान में है मैं तो हमारा एक लॉजिक है, हम यहाँ पे ज्ञान नहीं बांटते, खाली इन्फॉर्म करते हैं लोगों को.
Right.
अब आप सोचो कि आपके लिए क्या ठीक है, you know?
Okay, okay. So, okay, first question is that I have seen you go into wellness centers quite often.
Right.
What is the purpose? Why do you?
Good question, and I'm glad somebody asked me this. So I discovered Ayurveda in 2021 when I first went to a place called Somathiram in Kerala. Everything is in Kerala. And when I came back, so of course I did the Panchkarma and then I did a detox. Detox ka matlab,
What is Panchkarma?
Panchkarma is the Ayurvedic process of 5 days. They cleanse your body. They
Right.
prepare your body to accept the medication that they're going to give you.
Yeah.
Now, Ayurveda is centuries old.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, in India, we've lost it.
Yeah.
You know, there are only pockets. You hardly get those medications. They are not approved, obviously. So there are a lot of quacks. लेकिन जो लोग आयुर्वेद फॉलो करते ऋषि मानव जो जितने भी ऋषि मुनि थे वो लोग
Correct.
वो लाइफस्टाइल था उनका आयुर्वेद.
Correct. हाँ जी.
वेदा से आया हुआ. तो तुम तो खैर पुराणों की बात कर रहे हो. So I went there and when I came back, I was a different human being because I had a lot of digestive problems. Like I told you, मैं बहुत जल्दी खाता हूँ. जितना जल्दी बात करता हूँ उतना जल्दी खाता हूँ. तो when I came back, A, I was about 6 kilos lighter in 14 days.
Okay.
B, I had zero water weight. I was cleansed. I used to wake up at 6 o'clock without an alarm. And all those changes happened after my first visit to the wellness center Somathiram.
Oh.
और उसके बाद I decided to go every year and now I go twice a year. Because
Okay.
कभी-कभी उतना लंबा वक्त नहीं मिलता है तो मैं 10 दिन के लिए चले जाता. जैसे अभी 10 दिन के लिए जाके आया. And I was ripped. So I don't go to lose weight. A lot of people make this mistake कि हम लोग वजन घटाने जाएंगे. शुद्धि करने जाओ. ये जो आपने लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, किडनी, लिवर की बात की है, उसको आप शुद्ध करो.
Detox
And when you
कर दो
come
उसको.
back, your body is willing and ready to take on more.
Correct.
I feel more energetic and I tell people, everybody who's willing to listen.
Yeah.
Another reason why I started this podcast was I wanted to get this information out to people. So thank you for asking me that. For my two major pillars of life, one is Vipassana and one is Ayurveda.
And how often do you go?
Every year.
Once a year.
Once a year for 11 days. I am on. And people say, "Arey yaar, wo chup kaise rahenge?" I said, "वही तो main चीज है."
Correct.
When you are
And
quiet,
as an actor, it's very important.
it's very
also.
important because
Yeah.
it focuses you.
Yeah.
जैसे ये शुद्धि करता है,
Correct.
पंचकर्मा, विपश्यना focuses you so well, man.
Correct.
It's unbelievable.
So
but
I definitely want to try this because I told
will force
that
you to go.
Yeah, because I don't sit still. Why? अभी पता है क्या हुआ है? Lately, क्योंकि दिव्यांका ने identify कर लिया, कह रही है कि आपका ना concentration बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, आपका लंबा focus करना पड़ेगा. So you know what?
borderline ADHD है
पता है क्या
तुमको.
किया है?
हाँ.
She's got me a coloring book.
It's
मैं
very
शाम को 5 से 6 बजे
हाँ.
कलर करता हूँ बैठ के.
करेक्ट है, बहुत अच्छा है वो.
अभी मेरी बीवी ने डंडा मार के मेरे को वो कराना शुरू किया है. तो but it really gives you, it's like meditation.
It's meditation because you're focusing only on one that. But I will give you all the information. You must go to
Yeah.
Vipassana. It's right here in Bombay only.
Yeah.
ऐसे तो कई जगह है, अब
हाँ.
दुनिया भर जा सकते हो, but
Correct.
it is also life changing.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we go, we have this last segment. It's called the keep going segment.
Okay.
लाइफ में, हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं, बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल्स आते हैं, कभी कभी माउंटेन्स आते हैं, रोड ब्लॉक्स आते हैं. And you need that one mantra in life or something that somebody's taught you, whether it's your father or your guru or even your wife.
Yeah.
It's called the keep going mantra. तुम्हारी लाइफ का keep going mantra क्या है? What keeps you going all the time?
Control on my breathing, one.
Okay. Breath work करते हो तुम?
हाँ जी. Any stress situation, I inhale and exhale. That is one thing. Like before going to any shot, whenever I'm nervous on the stage or any stressful situation that I have to deal with, I लड़ाई के बीच में
अच्छा.
कभी ऐसी लड़ाई हो गई है,
हाँ.
आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गया है,
हाँ.
go in the corner because words है ना, words बड़े वो होते हैं, dangerous होते हैं कई
Dangerous
बार.
होते हैं.
So then you can't take them back.
Correct.
Because it leaves a mark.
Yes. Come
onto
what may, it is.
So it is better कि एक बार सोच लो, थोड़ा side पे हो जाओ, and then so that is one. And
That's fantastic, yeah, Vivek. That's a great thing because everybody who comes, they talk about something which is, अच्छा मैंने ये सुना था या ये line है. This is an actual practice and I think it's
हाँ जी,
fantastic.
हाँ जी.
Fantastic.
और दूसरा कि see, I feel कि anything that happens in life to us usually isn't personal. Anyone has said anything, anyone has hurt you, said anything to you, usually, unless it's your family, everyone else is outside your family, they don't know you well. They don't know your journey. They don't know. So there is no reason to take it so personally because हम लोग है ना बहुत मैं personally कई बारी ना बहुत sensitive हो जाता हूँ.
मैं भी बहुत sensitive हो जाता
तो but I back of my mind I always think that he or she doesn't know where I come from. So not to take it
Not take it.
take it very
Take it with a pinch
seriously.
of salt.
Yeah.
Superb, great advice, and I'm sure that today I promised you 7 o'clock. I think I'll start doing breath work also. Thank you, Vivek, for joining us.
It's been a
And
pleasure,
I'm very
Mike.
glad we had another co-panelist with him, and we had to cancel her for some reason. And I'm glad we did this one-on-one. Great episode.
Thank you, Mike.
You guys, I'll see you again next week with another guest who'll inspire you to push your limits. Till then, be unstoppable with me, Rohit Roy. Lots of love. Take care. Be healthy.